It's too early. Whew. Time to pack shit up. Guys, I'm still so tired. We only had like 5 hours of sleep. Why do we always do this to ourselves? It's okay, got co-pilots. Wait, that's strange. Oh, my brother got pulled over.
Final stretch, baby.
God damn! Good to be back in Vancouver. It is now 7 a.m. so we should be okay to fire this thing up. Good morning, neighbors. Good morning, Oscar. Pick up my brother and then we'll be on our merry way. Grab some Timmy's first and maybe actually, I need to take a number 2.
I already have some Red Bull already.
That's what I need to. One notch down, look how close the trunk is. But I trust.
Oh my god.
Actually, that kind of scared me. I went a little fast there. Hey, no more yelling, no more yelling. Bum of the beam of the lamb. Yeesh, man. Yeesh, man. Hey, come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, hey. What are the dogs? Just saying goodbye to the doggies. I know. Okay, fine.
Okay, take care, guys.
Yes, thanks, Mom. We'll see you guys. Bye, Dad.
Hey,
Up. We'll keep you guys updated. All right. Full Tetris mode. I mean, like the FRS is to the brim with a passenger comfortably, but Supra's kind of getting there.
Timmy's or what?
Yeah, we'll grab some
Cancer
grub. Free air! Free air! It's just, like, come on, man. Cope's the only one that does it, so why not? Wait, that's for butts. This is only at 20. First things first. Alright, got our Beach Brew. First time ever trying this, but it's actually good. Apparently it's just like vanilla cold brew. Hey! Speaking of cold, it's fucking freezing, bro.
Yeah,
woo!
Fucking ice, but
You only have room for one drink, sorry.
all good.
Okay, mans. Gas. I don't got seat heaters, man. Sorry, not in this. I don't have the luxury of the BRZs. First stop is gonna be in Golden, BC. But honestly, I'm just gonna trek it. See how far we go because we're supposed to make it there today anyway, to Vancouver. It's these two. Yeah. Drive safe, okay?
Okay, I'll drive as safe as you drive.
No racing, okay, fellas? No ticket. Doesn't even look like we lowered this at all, bro.
The rear has the freaking luggage in it, that's why.
Yeah.
The front doesn't have anything besides our fat asses.
Well, just drive safe.
Yes.
And we'll see you in Golden, BC. That's the first stop.
Okay, so
Okay, cool.
I lost my virginity to
What? Whatever he says. Well, we made it to Golden. My good luck spot. I literally drive 10 below the speed limit as soon as I get into Golden, so we safe. It's the PTSD. Gone too many tickets and 2 impounds. Just doing a quick fill up and then probably won't have lunch or our next break until 3 hours down the road in Kamloops. Is that a vlogger? Yo, we'll just park there and kind of regroup. And yeah, did you use all 60 bucks?
No, 50.
49.12. Okay, sweet, dude. Yeah, us 50 exact as well.
Oh, sick.
Yo, the next trek is gonna be nice and fun. Do you want to drive?
Sure.
Yeah, it's like mounted. This is the toll gate. Yeah, I can get some.
That road right there is so good, but it's so bad because of the clouds.
I know that, and also
all the
it was gonna,
construction,
dude. That one, like, it's where it was 30 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
If there was no cars,
Yeah.
that's the funnest toll gate. It's like
It
on your
is.
right is pure death, and on this side is
Also for your
yeah, exactly, more death. Oh damn. Oh yeah, sure. My brother's like, meat bun. We got meat buns. It delivers. A DoorDash. Yeah, these are good, man. Kind of want one of those. Hey, you're getting it. Oh, it's because you work with like two uncles, two kuyas and two titos.
Yeah, straight up.
Okay, if there's crumbs in here.
Yeah, I'm fine. It doesn't leave crumbs. Yes. Go promote.
I went out today just to see the light. It will never change, and I know I'm leaving. Trying to find out what I want, but it slipped away. You don't know how much I thought of you. It will never change, no matter what you do. Just let me come home and let me stay. I could let it pass me.
Damn, yo, my brother got pulled over in the Supra. Okay,
Where's your registration?
Not too bad. Hey, so I stopped you because you were actually called in before Sickamoose doing excessive speed. So yeah, you were with a red car, correct? No, where are you coming from? Apparently, like from the report, it wasn't slow. Okay, I didn't get you speeding. Yeah. Yeah.
You were with a red car.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, somebody called in this car, so. Yeah.
someone called
Yeah,
in
they said you're
Supra.
going excessive speed. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just need your driver's license, and it's actually for a different file, so I'll just have to send it to Sickamoose. So, yeah. I pulled you over on behalf of another detachment.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Okay. We'll see you there,
I'll see you
man.
in Calgary.
Yeah.
Any particular place?
Just like a chevron, or let us know when you're there. But next time, let's just stick together.
I'll lead.
See you in Calgary.
Well, they were reported for speeding in Sickamoose, which was like 2-3 hours of like back there, with a red car. What the fuck?
And he said you're speeding with the red cord, but I wasn't.
Yeah.
I was. He came up to me and he's like, yeah, some other dude like just snitched on you in another jurisdiction, right? And then I was about to argue with him, but I'm like, yo, he was so chill when he came up to me. He even knows that he has nothing on me, so I just gave him
Yeah.
a license registration.
Yeah.
And then I was about to say something, but then I'm just like, you know what, do your thing. And then
Yeah.
he came back and he's like, you're free to go. I mean, the
Oh
whole
my
time he was
gosh.
just trying to get me to like accuse myself of something.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
He's like, were you speeding? No.
Yeah.
He's like, you're speeding on the red car. No.
Yeah.
There wasn't even a red car on the road.
This is the 2/3 breakpoint cam loops, usually how it is. And then yeah, just straight shot, man. We don't need you, Sonny. We made you friend. It's because that kid didn't want to speed up. But yeah, that guy was cool. Yo, Darcy.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Yeah, so let us know where we can park. It's just these two cars. So should we just follow you in there?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, man.
Gotta back up.
Sounds good, brother.
A little bit of an angle.
Yeah.
Oh.
There it is. Oh.
Oh, no, it's
kept
there.
it.
It is.
Kept it alive.
It's not like my car. We'll get the FRS to park to one of these better spots.
Sure.
And then we'll put the Supra beside my car.
God, everything's rubbing.
It's all good. God damn! That's a picture. Holy dude. This thing is so badass. If you guys want to follow Darcee's page, freaking sick, dude. Oh my gosh. This is freaking amazing. Wow. What? I'm guessing that the sunrise comes from that side. So this suite practically gets sun like half the day. Or I mean all day, basically. It's like, what a freaking view. Oh my gosh. You know, shout outs Darcee, appreciate you for letting us stay here for the night. I think we're just gonna chill, go wash the cars, and then probably grab some food. Yeah, it's good to be back in Vancouver. What up, homie? Is English so good now? Well, is this your first time at a chat time meet? Wait, yeah, you were here last time. What the fuck? I forget, bro. Oh man.
I'm a veteran now.
Okay, let's walk around and show you some cars. Most of these are probably gonna be here tomorrow.
I already see an EG hatch, and I'm in love.
Wanna go check it out? Got some boba?
Should we get boba?
I mean, we could, yeah, actually.
For the line.
How are you? Long time to see.
Remember me? I haven't seen you since.
Yeah, of course I do. What the heck? Huh? Oh, hey, Shiratin. Yeah, what the crazy? See, you got supporters too, bro.
Local, baby. Local.
Chat. What up, chat?
What's up, dude?
Yo, Gutu. How are you? What the heck? Yeah, we're here. So we brought the Calgary with. Okay, let's go wash these things. Okay, make
They
it.
don't use hard water here, so it's like it rinses off pretty well.
Okay, make it count, boys. Make it count.
There's no water spots here.
Oh, there's no water stuff?
Yeah, because there's no hard water.
Oh man, so dirty. Whatevs. Gonna be clean. So after the meet, we went to clean the 12 hours worth of bugs off our bumpers at one of the only pressure washer car washes in this whole city. I swear, there's only two. And according to Sunny, the water don't leave no spots. Big shout outs to Xiao Kings. Oh, it's Xiao, man. Like, Xiao my... No, I don't know, man. But yeah, Darcee, bro. Appreciate you like for allowing us the space to stay the night. We just came back from that chat time meet. I wish I got it on camera, but like cops came, and the thing about Vancouver is like people are scared to drive their really done up cars just because of what they call the VI situation here, where it's a vehicle inspection, and it can be for something as little as like a lowered car or a tiny bit of camber on your wheels. You can have your car forcefully put back to stock, and that's just like you going for a regular drive to a grocery mart. So it's tough to drive modified vehicles here in Vancouver, and I get that, but what I saw was like 3 cops just flashing flashlights, walking around my car, like pointing out the spikes in the back and shit, and I'm like,
A solid minute, like on your spikes alone, and then I'm like,
they went to the front bumper, the lip, and they're like, what? Why is this connected here like that? It was a funny scene. Apparently, actually, Darcee uses his Maserati as the booth vehicle. So, however, this probably wouldn't be able to. Actually, surprisingly, it fit enough, man. There's actually merch in there and like all of our luggage. So yeah. Oh, appreciate you for driving for the day, bro. This guy drove like basically the whole drive, man. I just drove to Golden, BC. That's
6 to 6 hours. It wasn't that long.
yeah. It was a video game for you, man. Just like a done-up version of his car anyway. We're just gonna chill here for the night. I think I'm gonna end this vlog, and we'll see you tomorrow for Vancouver Driven. Hey, peace.
No, they're in
Good night.
Good night.
I'm going back to Calgary. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without